Papa, Sarah. Attack Papa. Yeah. Oh. You're so wicked. Look at your whole head. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We woke up in Snowy Mountain today, girl. We woke up in Snowy Mountain today, and it's raining, but we still went out. Look who is coming inside. Hello. Stay right there. You're gonna wait up everywhere. What happened? You're coming in?
Yes.
You finish? Oh, hear that cough? Blow your nose. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here, and we woke up in Snowy Mountains, and it's raining. It's raining, but we still went out in it. I couldn't take out the camera to film the little piece that the kids and I did because I didn't want my camera to get wet. So you guys missed that out of our first time playing in the snow, but we're gonna go back out when the rain eased up a bit to play some more in the snow. Baby's actually gone to the supermarket and the pharmacy because both kids are coughing a lot, and what I have, I don't think it's helping, or it's not helping the way I think it should be helping. So baby's gone to the pharmacy to see if he can get some more some different medicine. His brother-in-law is with him too. They're also gone to the supermarket to see if they pick up a few things. But yeah, that's what's up right now. I'm going to go inside and get me some tea. The kids had a good time playing in the little piece that they're playing in this morning, but they're coughing. Not even there. Both of them coughing, but Sarah is coughing more than anything. She had a terrible night. A terrible night. I don't know how my eyes are open right now and is awake. One, Sarah cannot sleep with anybody, and two, because she have this deep cough, it doesn't allow her to sleep, so she's very fussy, very miserable. But hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. Anyway, let me show you guys what my surrounding is looking like right now while it's raining. It's all white, 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 white. So there you go. That's the flex. So because it's raining, the kids were just right here playing earlier. We were here playing earlier. But yeah, when babe get back, I'll see if he have any special plans for us to do anything today. If not, then whatever we do today, you guys will see. There's a river stream right in front of me that I'm going to show you guys in a bit too. But for now, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. And if you're first time to the fam bam, be sure to catch and keep up and subscribe to us, and don't miss out on any of our vacation vlogs while we are here in the mountains. Oh, you guys, even when you're in the mountains, you get in supermarket hall. Sit. We're gonna give you something to eat soon. Babe just came back from the supermarket, you guys.
You should have no clue what I get her.
Babe came in with 5 bags. Like, what did you buy?
You're expecting one bag?
Yeah.
Well,
Only a few. I tell you to buy 5 items, and he come back with 5 bags.
Yeah.
He's changing gender roles here. It's normally the female does that.
no,
Look
but
at him.
I mean, we are here for a full week. Don't plan to
Rotisserie, a whole rotisserie chicken. I'm discovering what you buy compound.
I didn't know if she had. I didn't know.
I didn't tell you to buy
I
compound.
didn't know, so I took it. That's okay. It will be there.
He buy comfort. Lord have mercy,
It will be
Jesus.
there.
Why you buy so many juice?
Because we're gonna be here for one full week.
Orange juice, apple juice. And you went in here this morning. Yana, look what you're doing.
I didn't go looking.
Oh my God, let me discover what you're doing.
That's how you want.
Comfort. You want carry a comfort for Sarah, Tyler.
I take care of my daughter and I wanted to make sure that she have everything. So I was.
Well, I make sure I did that from home. So why you come here to do that? I don't know. Tyler, bring a comfort for your sister. Soap to wash dishes.
She will discover double things.
Lord have mercy, Jesus. Daddy. Open it and give it to your sister. He buy Lord, I told him to buy this. Why you buy these strips, honey?
So why not?
Lord have mercy. He buy new key. Why you buy new key?
I want a new key. Good job, Papa. Good job.
Thank you.
And cheese. New key and cheese.
And pasta.
Mama, for lunch I want.
He buy more beer biscuit. He buy cordon bleu.
Mama, I want.
You want new key for lunch?
Yes, I want new key. Good.
He buy cordon bleu.
Papa buy some.
What is this? He buy brownie. Why did I send him to shop?
Brownie for Tyler.
Yes.
No.
Yes, brownie.
Why you buy chocolate bread?
For breakfast.
You don't have yogurt, I have peach.
Plus this.
Lord have mercy.
That work together.
Sit, Sarah.
Let me tell you, it's
Oh,
the only
no.
supermarket haul for the week. I don't plan to go more than one time.
You're a hot
I
mess.
don't
Sit, Sarah.
plan
Sit.
to go more than one time. I get for Tyler Schweppes because yesterday got Schweppes and he said he liked it. So
He wasn't tight.
okay, it's you.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll get you Schweppes.
And me too, I love it.
Alright.
What else in buy? So why you buy so many of this one, honey?
We're more than one. We chit chat, we eat, we do that things. Oh, beer biscuits.
What is this? Chicken. Sarah.
Mini pizza.
I get a lot of some. We're gonna have some chicken.
Mama, here, mini pizza.
Yeah, mini pizza. I'm trying to look after Sarah. See.
What?
Sarah.
Cashew.
Yeah, we're gonna. I don't take no alcohol
Basmati.
Why not?
because the only bottle that I saw it was. I have nothing,
Crypto.
so I need have nothing. So,
Ketchup.
I took a pack of rice.
Ketchup.
You took rice.
Yeah. I took one ketchup.
So if you take rice, where is the salt to cook it? Where is the salt to cook all these things?
Some water. Chicken.
I may take 2 pack of pasta and me carry pasta from home.
I didn't know you carried pasta. That's okay. We're gonna eat pasta all week. Pasta and rice. Alright, Tyler, what is here? Carrots. Look at the banana.
What?
Banana.
You guys don't even eat banana at home, so why you come here to buy
Well,
banana?
I take banana and mandarin. Thank you, honey. You should say thank you.
No, I'm not going to say thank you. I'm sorry.
We are going to say thank you and give him a with 1,000 plus.
They don't eat banana at home. Every week me buy banana, it's spoiled. Me stop by them. Me have 5 banana in the fridge was spoiled to make
Well,
banana
in
fritters.
the week, we're at work. Tyler is at school.
Yeah, but you don't use to eat it.
I get yogurt.
And it's all.
No, enough of this. One more bag behind you.
Wow.
Look, at least I take a small pack.
Mama,
But I didn't know
No,
you
it's
have.
paper towel.
I didn't know you have all of these things.
Honey, you asked me what to buy and I gave you a list.
Oh,
I gave him
Well.
a list.
well.
At least him come back with what is on the list. But all these unnecessary things in our little car, where they're gonna hold and we're not gonna eat them.
We eat them.
We're not gonna eat them.
We eat them. We have salt.
Mama,
Yes, Daddy.
I'm not in your team now. I'm
Oh, because
I don't need anybody on my team. I'm just speaking facts.
Papa.
sausage. No,
Sausage.
sausage is not good.
Butter. What's the butter for?
I didn't know if you have butter
No,
for
I'm asking you what is it
pasta.
for.
You don't put no butter in the pasta or to cook. Well, oh, I forgot egg. That's what I was looking
Yeah,
for.
you bring everything and I bring no egg. Where's the egg?
I forget egg. I don't know if you had cereal.
We have that.
Well, I didn't know. Oh.
I pack a big bag from home with everything and it's there.
Well, when she pack alone and not telling me.
You never pack.
Alright, that's it for Tyler.
Carrot
2 carrots.
for his snowman.
Yes, he wanted that. He asked me that again.
Good job, bravo.
So I took this
Bravo,
for Tyler.
bravo, bravo.
Shrimp for you. In case you feel for shrimp.
This man don't realize I'm on vacation and I'm not come here to cook. Why am I going to buy all these things for?
So this is not to cook nothing.
I'm not talking about that one.
Pasta.
What you bring?
I didn't
You work for
know.
Sarah for me bring it.
That's fine. My God.
Jesus, Savior.
That's,
We don't have no space in the car for these extra things, honey.
That's okay. You're the one talking about things for the car, while you're the one taking doubles and doubles and doubles.
Because I have enough. I have just what we need.
I got. And Rafi.
Thank you. Good job.
Good job, babe. Bravo.
High five. Good job.
That's a lousy high five that I don't want to give.
You need to know.
Look at this place. Look at this place. Look good. Why, babe? Wait the supermarket to buy something.
Well.
When I saw all the bags coming out of the car, I thought it was your brother-in-law thing.
No, it was me.
You guys, the rain has stopped and we're outside. Look at my girl. If you want to, Ty, you coming or you staying? The Tyler is playing with his cousins. Babe and I going for a walk with Princess. In her luge, it's so white and beautiful out, guys. Oh my god. It's so beautiful out. Let me show you guys around. Look at my fine man. You can put your hand here.
You want a mask or you have a mask with you?
No, I don't have no mask. You didn't pick up mask?
Okay.
Boom, boom. Sarah, why you look like you're sleeping? Huh, Princess? Why do you look like you're sleeping? Huh? There's a pepper? There's a river running down right here. And it goes all the way down. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh my days. So this is what the cabins look like on the outside. So you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them on this end. And they're just lined out all along here.
Crying, don't go.
Oh, you look fun. No, babe. You need to come move to the snow, boy. You look too fun in the snow.
What is it?
You look so good in the snow. I'm lost over my home.
Sarah in your house.
Sarah is being a queen as usual. The village that we're in is called Cap Fun. Cap Fun. Papa pulling his girl. We have so many things over here. I mean, a lot of activities for the kids and for the families. Go, go, go! Go, Sarah, go! Pull her, pull her, pull her. princess. Show it on Papa. Yes, Sarah. Show it on Papa. Show it on Papa. Here. Show it. Go like that.
Hold on.
No! Attack him, Sarah! Attack! Go like this, Sarah. Attack! Attack, Papa! Ah! Wait, you have to keep your gloves on. Papa wicked! Sarah, Papa wicked. You know Papa wicked? Papa kissing me in my vulnerable state. Attack him, Sarah. Attack Papa. Show eyes on Papa. Get him. Ah! Get him, Sarah. Get him. Here. Show it on Papa. Get Papa. Hold your hand. Show it on Papa. Show it on Papa. Show it on Papa. Here, show it on Papa. Here. Here. Show it on Papa.
Show it to me.
Show it like this.
Ah.
Give it to Papa. Show it. Give me a hand. Put it on Papa. Papa. She's trying. Yes, Sarah. Yes. Sit here. Do it. Get it. Give it to Papa. Give it to Papa. Honey, she coming. Give it to Papa. Go give it to Papa. Go.
Come. Allez. Oh, c'est pas grave. Allez, give it to Papa. Come.
Give it to Papa.
Come, please.
Give it to Papa,
Give it
Sarah.
to Maman. Give it to Maman.
Give it to Mama.
Okay, tiens-le comme ça. Voilà, give it to
Give it
Maman.
to Mama. Yay!
Good job.
Bravo! Catch! Catch! Show Papa, catch! Okay, catch, Papa! Attack! Wicked! Give it to Papa, Sarah. Attack! 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 Papa wicked! Why? Hey, they hot! They slap hot in the man. Oh, it's okay. Up. Go catch Papa.
Come.
Go.
Come, Papa.
Go to
Doucement.
Papa.
Doucement. Come. Doucement. That's okay. That's okay. Allez. Allez.
She walk like she drunk. Yay!
Hey guys, here, Sarah, you tired? You had fun today?
Say hello, Faves.
Oh,
She's tired. You guys, they went to the pharmacy and got Sarah some dry cough medicine, and it's helping so much. She haven't been coughing as much as she's been coughing, as she coughed last night and yesterday. It's helping. So both she and Tyler taking that. We're here playing some games with Babe and Tai Tai.
We have to find what is in the card, like the flowers. We have to find the fastest to find it. Win. And Tyler is, look at me, Tyler. You're pretty good at this game, no?
Yeah.
You're pretty good. You win without cheating. You win without
It sound like
cheating.
he's always cheating.
And Sarah is learning. So
Sarah,
yeah.
find some too on her little card.
We have a good day. You had a good day.
I had a
You enjoy your
wonderful
day.
day. I wish Tyler was with us when Babe and I was playing in the snow. But Tyler was playing with his cousins. So you guys didn't see Tyler much today. And we went to our in-laws next door and we had crepe. We got back home and we ate.
I found the flower.
But what are you doing?
I found the flower that
You're
Papa was
too
talking
funny.
about.
We got back home, we ate, get everybody ready for bed, and we're just gonna sign out today's vlog here. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'm sure you did. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah, say tomorrow. Say tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Say tomorrow.
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 Your time to say tomorrow. Yes, time.
Look,
Let Papa
wait,
finish first.
wait.
See you guys tomorrow.